Hey, how you doing? It's Rambler here. All right, we have unboxing time. Yes. Okay. I gotta stop saying yes after a statement I make. All right. The other day, this came in the mail, and I've been waiting for it. What it is a scan decoder. Okay. It's basically a nifty little reader, and just gonna unbox it here and then show you. And you plug it in under the dash into the computer relay. And the second part is it sends a signal to an app. And the app, you download it on your phone, which is what you're watching me on. And long story short, read away. Follow the instructions and read away. I'm going to be installing this in the next few moments, so stay tuned. I'll keep you posted as to what's going on and where it goes from there. Okay. But outside of that, our friend here, Bone Crusher's doing fine. Survived the weather that we had. We had some very, very bad storms roll through, and no damage that I can see. No broken branches or anything. No debris. So, yeah, we're all good. All right, so I'll keep you posted with what's going on. I'm going to upload all the information into Bone Crusher's computer, and then hopefully it'll be successful, and then I can upload from there the information from the app and connect the app to the reader. The reader being this little guy. Yeah. And then we go from there. All right. I'll keep you posted. Okay.